Hi, I'm dear friends. Let's see today how to remove the object outline in Photoshop. For example, I cut out this bunny, but you see there is a green outline and it's not nice. Let me add some black background, for example, and you'll see it better. Okay, so you see, in order to remove it, I will select my bunny. I'm holding Ctrl and clicked on the layer with the bunny. Bunny is selected. Now I'm going to select and choosing modify. And here, contract. And I will contract the selection, but let us try to contract by not many pixels. Let us try 2, for example, first. Okay. Now I'm doing right click of my mouse over the background and choosing select inverse, and I will cut it out. But you see there is still greenish here, so let's do it again, but I will increase the pixels. So I'm choosing, I'm going to modify, contract, and I will increase until 5 pixels. And let us see now. Go to any selection tool, then right click over the background, select inverse, and cut. It's better now, you see? That's it. Thank you.